Hello and welcome to this unboxing of this new guitar. I've got it from Anderton's in the UK and it is going to be a Epiphone Les Paul Studio LT in Heritage Cherry Sunburst. That means that it would look like, or it should look like, that. So let's hope it does. Let's go on and have an unboxing. Thank you. Okay, so let's open this up. I've got the scissors to hand. This fits. And eventually, there we are. Oh. And there we are. Epiphone performance is our passion. There we are. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's the stickers on the box. Les Paul Studio LT, Epiphone production date 11/2009. Well, it's the very beginning of April 2020 now. It's compliant with various things, and there we are. That's it. That's as much as the information is on there. Let's see what else I can find out. Okay, so on the other end it's got the same stickers, Les Paul Studio LT, and a couple of barcodes. And we've got this box there which is not taped down, so that just lifts straight off. And in here, what have we got? We've got a guarantee card. There you go. Lovely. And various bits and stuff. Let's get on with this. Let's lift that out. Okay, for some reason the camera switched off there, but there we are. We can see the lovely finish on there. The heritage cherry sunburst finish. And there's the head with the Les Paul logo on it. We're going to put it on the stand now and have a closer look. Okay, here it is on the stand. I've tuned it up because it was so far out of tune you wouldn't believe. Looks like they've just slung some strings on it. It doesn't look like any setup's been done on it. The action is quite high, and the pickups are at completely different levels from the strings. So I think it needs a pretty good setup. So it's a Heritage Cherry Sunburst. Now this cost me £169, and on the same website the cheapest Gibson Les Paul, the cheapest, was £850, so you could have 5 of these for the cheapest Gibson. Well, I think it's well worth having 5 of these, to be honest. There you go. All the specs are on various websites. I don't need to go through all that with you. Just to say, it actually looks very nice, just needs a bit of a setup. It looks really nice, just needs a bit of a setup, which hopefully I'll be able to do on it. There you are, that's the unboxing. Thanks very much, thanks for watching. Cheerio. Okay, so a couple of days later and things have moved on. I've set it up myself as best as I can. The one thing that was noticeable was that when I said earlier about the tuning, it wasn't tuned. it was actually so far out on the tuning that they couldn't have even attempted to set it up either at the manufacturing place or in the UK, because it was just miles away and you couldn't possibly have done any of the precise setting up with it not being in tune. So presumably it's just left to the person who buys it to set it up. Anyway, so following a load of instructions I found on the internet on YouTube, and there's some pretty good ones, I have done the neck relief by adjusting the truss rod, and I have adjusted the action, the height of the strings, and then I've adjusted the height of the pickups. I haven't done the intonation yet, but it feels like a brand new guitar now. It's much better, and it should be terrific now. Just goes to show that you have to set these cheaper guitars up. I don't know what happens with Gibsons or stuff like that, but anyway, still, now it's like this, it really is worth the £169. It is easily, I'd easily have 5 of these than the cheapest Gibson that was 850 quid. So there we are. It's a lovely guitar now. It should be fine, and that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra.